Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, the Healthy 7-Day Carrot Juice Challenge. Carrot juice is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural nutrients that help improve your overall health. Drinking carrot juice regularly may help boost immunity, improve digestion, and support glowing skin. In this video, we are starting part 1 of the Carrot Juice Challenge, where I will show you 3 simple and refreshing carrot juice recipes that you can easily prepare at home. Let's start with day 1. For day 1, we have carrot, lemon, and honey juice. This is a simple detox drink that is perfect for starting your morning. Take 2 fresh carrots and wash them well. Cut the carrots into small pieces and add them to a blender. Add half a lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Pour a little water and blend everything smoothly. This juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps refresh your body, supports digestion, and gives your skin a natural glow. Day 2 is carrot mint lemon juice. This juice is very refreshing and perfect for hot days. Take 2 carrots and cut them into small pieces. Add a few fresh mint leaves and squeeze half a lemon. Add a little water and blend until smooth. Mint helps cool the body and improve digestion, while carrot provides important nutrients that help keep your body energized. Now let's see day 3. For day 3, we have carrot ginger juice. This powerful combination is great for immunity and metabolism. Take 2 carrots and cut them into pieces. Add a small piece of fresh ginger and some water. Blend it well until smooth. Ginger adds a strong flavor and helps support digestion while boosting the immune system. These 3 carrot juices are simple, healthy, and easy to prepare at home. Try this 7-day carrot juice challenge and include these juices in your daily routine for a refreshing and healthy start to your day.